guys, it's Nikki. So for this video I'm going to show you IPSY glam bag unboxing video, and this is how the packaging looks like. It's really pretty. It's pink. The other side shows my address, so I'm not really going to show. And as you guys can see, I don't have a lot of makeup on because I am going to try out some of the products that I got in my bag. But if you guys don't know what IPSY is, two of my favorite ones would have to be this one. This is like my #1 favorite, and it is they collabed with Gudetama. If you guys don't know what Gudetama is, it's a like Japanese character. It's so cute. Like it's an egg. This is the front, and then this is how like the back looks like. It's so cute. And then I forgot what month this was from. And also this one, it's like a matte black bag. It's so pretty. Like, I have one in my purse right now. I use it to keep like all my necessities inside, but I'm not sponsored by IPSY or anything like that. I just love IPSY. I've been subscribed for like a whole year straight now, so I decided for this year I'm gonna do unboxing videos every month, every time that I get my IPSY bag, and show you guys what I get. You do get an email before you receive your glam bag, and you can check like what you'll be getting. With that said, so the theme for January glam bag is gym style or something. So it says about the bag: whether you're heading to kickboxing or kicking back with your crew, this little mesh pouch is a winner for showing off your sporty side. So I think they only have one bag design for this month. Sometimes they do like 2 designs or whatever. So this is how it looks like. It's so pretty, honestly. Like, I love this. It's kind of like mesh material and like neon-ish colors. So I'm just gonna jump right into the inside. So you do get like this little paper thing, and it says right here, "I will conquer blank." Definitely gonna fill this one out. The only thing that they don't do is like how they don't list the prices of each product that's inside, but other than that, it's a great subscription bag. So the first thing that I see is this Luna by Luna eyeshadow. So this is how it looks like, the packaging, and the product looks like this. It's so small, and it is called Juliet. That's the name of the eyeshadow, and it's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply it on my eyes. So I'm gonna apply my Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is my favorite eyeshadow primer. So I'm just gonna apply some. Okay, it just dripped down. And then I'm gonna take an eyeshadow brush. This is Luxie Precision Shader in number 239. So I'm just gonna dip my brush in there, and I'm using this as my mirror. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my lid, I guess. Okay, so I've already applied the eyeshadow, and I also used one of my favorite palettes, which is the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I used this color right here on the crease area, and then where is it? Oh, and I used this one right here for like the brow bone area and inner corners. So final verdict of this eyeshadow, it's really pretty. I think I have a similar eyeshadow like this in like one of my makeup palettes, but it goes on really well, and it's actually really pretty. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it is pink and it's very natural, so that's what I like. So the next product that I see is this Bellapierre Cosmetics Stayput Brow Gel. The packaging looks like this, and there's like a little brush that comes with it, and it's very stiff, which I'm not gonna try out because I already have eyebrows on. I already have eyebrows. I already have eyebrow product on my eyebrows, obviously. Oh, okay. Doesn't look too bad. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna have to try it out some other day. The next thing that's in here is this Dermelect Microfacial Exfoliating Masque. So it is a mask. It's a multi-brightening complex, instantly restores dull, lackluster looking skin to luminous and radiant. And obviously I can't try it out right now because I already have makeup on. Okay, it came out. So that's how it looks. It's white. Oh, yeah, it's an exfoliating mask. So there's like little tiny stuff that you feel like rough. Well, not rough, but you get me, you know, like those exfoliating masks, they have like, they're not smooth. Whoa. It smells like, I don't know, it doesn't really have a smell. Anyways, the last two products that are in here is this Mary-lou Manizer, and I'm so excited. Okay, I dropped it. So I think this is like the product that I'm most excited about, even though it is really, really tiny. But it is from TheBalm Cosmetics. It's one of their like popular highlighters, and it's one of like the popular highlighters out there, and I don't have it yet, and now I do. So we're gonna go try it out. So I'm gonna take a fan brush and I'm just gonna swirl it around. The only thing that's hard is like it's not full size, so it's kind of hard to, you know, run your brushes through. So let's see how it looks on my cheeks. Whoa, that's really pretty. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I love it. And then I also do it like on the tip of my nose. I think that looks really cute. And then the remaining product, I run it through the bridge of my nose. I love it. It's so pretty. First try, I love it. And the last thing that's in here is a Susan Cosmetics Liquid Matte Longwear Liquid Lipstick in Raisin Flesh. So this is how it looks like. It's quite big. I believe this is the full product that I got this month. So I'm gonna put it on my lips and see how it looks. Oh my gosh, it kind of smells like candy. Okay, I take that back. It does not smell like candy. It honestly smells like those air fresheners, car air fresheners. Oh, it dries. It dries pretty quickly, so you kind of have to work fast. Oh, it's very sticky. Oh, okay. Oh, it's very sticky. Look. Okay, the color is okay. Oh my god, it's so sticky. But I just realized I have something in my teeth. Okay, out of all the products, I think this is my least favorite. I don't really like it. It's very sticky. Guys, let me know in the comment section down below if you have IPSY subscription bag, and I want to know what you got in your bag. So leave them in the comment section down below, and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more IPSY unboxing videos. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.